Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create this dark coquette outfit and dress to impress without VIP. Okay, let's get into it guys. The outfit will look like this and I'm going to show you how I made this outfit. First of all guys, you can choose this hairstyle from the masculine hairstyle and you're going to color it with this dark brown color and combine it with this hairstyle and color it the same. And you're going to put on this necklace and color it black. This is from the coat item, and select this ribbon. And then you're going to change the toggle to behind hat. And then for the color, you can make it this color for the first selection, the second selection, and also the third selection. Okay, and then the next one, I'm going to go to this corset area. And I'm going to put on this corset. And then I'm going to apply this pattern. This one guys. And you're going to apply this pattern to all the selection. Okay, and for the last selection, you're going to apply this color. Right? And then I'm going to go to this area. And I'm going to put on the stocking. And for the first selection, I'm going to make it this color. And I'm going to make it this color for the next selection. Okay, and then I'm going to move to the changing room. I'm going to go to the coat item and I'm going to choose the shirt. And I'm going to make it this color. Wait, this one. Okay, make it this color. And you're going to select this leg warmer. Color it with this color. This one. And then I'm going to put on this boot. And I'm going to make it this color for all the selection. Alright, and I'm going to go to this menu, select this dress, and then you're going to make it skirt only and apply the same pattern. And then I'm going to go to the coat item again and select this bag. And then I'm going to make it this color for the first selection, make it this color for the next selection, make it white for the third selection, and make it this color for the last selection. Okay, and the last one, I'm going to go to this skirt area. Sorry guys, I forgot to put on the skirt. Okay, put on this skirt and you're going to apply the same pattern. Okay, and this is for the final result. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.